Of human being are home, food, money, clothes, and in today's scenario, mobile is a basic part in our life. As generally during traveling or moving from one place to another place, mobile plays a vital role in which we can connect either in form of social media, in calling, either in web services, messaging, or by exploring from one place to another. Mobile is an electronic appliance, so it needs a power source, either in form of battery. So it is needed a power source. The major problem arises when there is an indication of low battery or low voltage. Now the question is what to do now. In case if we are in middle of the journey, lost of the charger, forget power bank, and a low battery indicates that we are able to connect to the social media in a limited time only. Is proud to introduce an electronic communicating power supply for making your own power in form of DC. When a battery level reaches up to 10%, then the customer needs to send a message or call their customer care for the signal will be transmitted to the antenna or cellular tower. For the whole process will be undergoing three processes: network processing, central, shortwave antenna, your mobile. We have used in our project is the conversion of microwave pulse into electrical pulse. Now the mobile generation, the voice is converted into electrical signal. The electrical is converted into microwave pulse, and microwave energy is converted into pulse signal, which is being transmitted to the customer care executive. They will send a message signal to start the conversion of microwave to electrical signals DC. This pop is indicating that how in microsecond we are converting this electrical energy to electrical energy. Now this is possible that we can convert a microwave energy into electrical energy, and this as a message will receive that your phone has been initialized to charge. Over here we have example, we have giving that a car in the friend. Once again we are able to communicate with each other. For charging our equipments, we have used various types of equipments such as Retina, Magnetron, and other chips also. Now the various advantages of the following: universal wire charging for environmental protection, safe and reliable and efficient, low maintenance cost, convenient and simple to use. The scopes of this are wireless charging, smart charging, and efficient and better for use for our convenient. This whole innovative idea is presented by the team TechBack.
Thank you.